Hello there, it is I, Cassowary, and this is the bird family.
And hello, I'm Scarlet Kangaroo Caw, and this is the hybrid animal family. Today, we're eating food for St. Patrick's Day.
What are we waiting for? Let's go!
Alright, let's sit.
Wow, I see green foods.
I see green grapes, green cupcakes, green clover cookies, green lollipops, lime-flavored cake, green candy cane, and green milk.
Are you ready to eat? Yes, so bon appetit!
After we washed the dishes, how is the food?
It was good. The green clover cookies taste like royal icing. The green cake and green milk taste good. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone!
Happy St. Patrick's Day to you too!